How to use Google Wallet on FitBit Versa 4. Google Wallet replaces Fitbit Pay starting July 2024 and globally by January 2025. It is supported on NFC-enabled devices like Versa 4, Sense 2, and Charge 6, among others. Make sure you're in a region where Google Wallet on Fitbit is available. Local bank compatibility may vary. So step 1. On your paired phone, open the Fitbit app. Tap the Today tab, then your profile image in the top left. Select your device, either Versa 4 or Sense 2. Tap Wallet or Update to Google Wallet if upgrading from Fitbit Pay. Step 2. Add a card and set PIN. You'll be prompted to sign into your Google account. Then you'll set a 4-digit PIN on your Fitbit device. Then tap Add a payment card. Either scan with phone camera or enter details manually. Then verify identity via SMS, email, app, or call as required. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.